Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cat toilet training kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated prices, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Cat Toilet Trainer Kit by Fuzzy Milky. This kit features a brand new design aimed at keeping litter from falling into the toilet, ensuring you get a cleaner environment during training. It's equipped with a high-quality training toilet seat and pan, making it reusable and ideal for multiple cats. The separation design is particularly useful as it allows adults to use the toilet without interference, switching easily between modes. The build quality is solid, with durable plastic that fits most toilet sizes and shapes. It also includes detailed tutorials and training tips, making it beginner-friendly for first-time cat toilet trainers. However, some users reported issues with the absence of a lid and a lack of ability to return the product after use, which might make you hesitate if you're not sure about committing to the training process. This kit is perfect for cats of all life stages, and its systematic approach to training ensures your cat transitions smoothly from litter box to toilet. It's priced at $35.69, which is slightly above average, but the included training guide and quality components make it a reasonable investment. If you're looking for a straightforward kit with solid guidance, this one is worth considering. At number 4 is the Cat Toilet Training Kit by City Kitty, a trusted name in the industry since 2005. This kit uses a patented training seat and insert, making it a proven method endorsed by veterinarians and cat behaviorists. It's designed to fit both round and elongated toilets, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, it's made in the USA using environmentally sourced materials, which is a great bonus for eco-conscious buyers. Performance-wise, City Kitty's system has been used by over 1 million cats, and it includes a guidebook, extra insert, and catnip to ease the transition from litter box to toilet. However, one drawback is the lack of customer support for troubleshooting during the training process, which could be a challenge for new users. Additionally, the price is not readily available, making it harder to compare directly with competitors. This kit is best for cat owners who value a proven track record and want a reliable, no-frills training system. If you're looking for a practical solution that's endorsed by professionals, City Kitty's kit is a solid option, though its limited feature set might not stand out against other choices on this list. Taking the third spot is the Cat Toilet Training System by Litter Quitter. This kit is unique in that it comes with an instructional DVD, allowing you to visually follow along with its 3-stage training process. It's designed to fit most standard toilet bowls, and its vibrant red, amber, and green components help clearly mark each stage of progress. The build quality is excellent, with sturdy plastic that's easy to clean and hygienic. It's also environmentally friendly and approved by veterinarians, making it a trusted option for conscientious pet owners. However, some users noted that the rigid design may not accommodate all toilet types as seamlessly as advertised, and the lack of extra inserts or guidance materials could make training less intuitive. This kit is ideal for cat owners who appreciate a structured, step-by-step approach to toilet training. The instructional DVD is a standout feature, making it perfect for visual learners. While it lacks advanced features found in newer products, its proven method and durable design are worth considering for pet owners seeking simplicity and reliability. Coming in at number 2 is the Rita-Ear Cat Toilet Training Kit. This budget-friendly option is priced at just $29.99, making it the most affordable product on this list. Despite its lower price point, it offers a third-generation design that's easy to use and fits most toilet sizes and shapes on the market. A unique feature of this kit is its date recording system, allowing you to set and track the start date for each training phase. The build quality is decent for the price, though it's not as robust as some premium options. The separation design ensures that adults can use the toilet without interference, which is a thoughtful touch. However, Some users reported that the biodegradable litter recommended during early training stages might clog the toilet if not handled carefully. This kit is perfect for budget-conscious cat owners who want a basic yet effective system to transition their cats from litter box to toilet. While it might lack the advanced features or durability of premium models, its affordability and straightforward design make it a great starter option for anyone hesitant about investing in a higher-end kit. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cat Toilet Training System 2022 by Fuzzy Milky. This premium kit is priced at $36.99, and it's packed with features that justify the slightly higher cost. Its brand new design prevents litter from falling into the toilet, providing a cleaner environment during training. The kit includes 2 training pans, a training ring, and a training seat, all made from durable plastic that's reusable and fits most toilet shapes and sizes. What sets this kit apart is its latest training method, which eliminates the need to cut the training pan. The instructions are easy to follow, even for beginners, and the detailed tutorials ensure a systematic approach to training. Additionally, Fuzzy Milky's customer service team is available to provide professional solutions during the process, which is a huge bonus for anyone encountering challenges. This kit is perfect for cat owners looking for a comprehensive and hassle-free solution. Its thoughtful design and premium build quality make it ideal for multi-cat households or those seeking a long-term investment. The only downside is the slightly higher price, but given its advanced features and support, it's well worth it. If you want the best of the best, this is the kit to choose. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.